characteristics of learning disabilities, like the child will have lack of attention and concentration. He or she will not be able to give that much attention or sit at a proper place that much attentively, paying that much attention as expected from him for doing or completing a specific activity. If any concept is being described or being analyzed to the student, then also he or she will take much time, much more time in fact, to understand that. That is, there is little bit difficulty in understanding also. But remember one thing, my friends, that child with learning disability has average intelligence or above average intelligence. Now, strange thing is that if the child has average level of intelligence or above average level of intelligence, then also that child shows this type of difficulties. Then only we will come to know that this child must have a condition called learning disabilities. Such a child may have low self-respect. Among the causes of learning disabilities, there are some genetic causes also. Genetic means it may be hereditary. A research was conducted upon a group of hyperactive children. Then it was found that 20% of those hyperactive children has one parent at least who was having hyperactivity. Since hyperactivity, that means attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, is also considered as a type of learning disabilities. So we can say that genetic causes can also be there for a child to become learning disabled. Other than that, some other causes are there, like prenatal causes we can say. For example, during pregnancy, if the mother was not getting adequate quantity of adequate amount of nutrition, good food, or she was into drugs, okay, or she consumed alcohol, or for example the pregnant mother suffered from German measles or rubella, that's a disease, or severe fever, then also the child may develop learning disabilities. And in case of perinatal causes, any kind of head injury may be there, okay, or any instruments if used during birth, then also that may affect the cells of the brain, which can cause learning disabilities in the child. And lack of oxygen supply to the brain at the time of birth, that's also one vital cause for a child to become learning disabled. Postnatal causes also include any injury or trauma to the brain mainly.